The Ford 1.0-litre EcoBoost i3 engine is a compact, turbocharged and direct-injected gasoline engine. As the smallest member of Ford's EcoBoost lineup, it debuted in 2012, powering models like the Ford Focus and C-Max. Since then, it has been adapted for various vehicles, from the Ford Fiesta hatchback to the larger Ford Mondeo. Ford also offers naturally aspirated versions such as the 1.0-litre Fox engine, which comes with either direct or multi-port fuel injection. This 1.0-litre EcoBoost features an open-deck cylinder block made from grey cast iron, which, though heavier than aluminum, helps the engine warm up faster, thereby improving emissions. The cast iron crankshaft, equipped with 6 counterweights and 4 main bearings, works in tandem with a unique unbalanced flywheel and front pulley system, eliminating the need for a balance shaft and reducing energy consumption. Internally, the engine has low friction, coated aluminum pistons and forged connecting rods with a variable displacement oil pump to further enhance efficiency. The 12-valve aluminum cylinder head integrates the exhaust manifold, which helps in faster warm-ups and lowers exhaust gas temperatures. The engine's valve train features a direct-acting mechanical bucket system with 4 valves per cylinder, and both the intake and exhaust camshafts are belt-driven. This belt, lubricated by oil, runs quietly and efficiently, offering a 10-year or 120,000-mile warranty. The engine also incorporates twin-independent variable camshaft timing, TIE VCT. Fuel is delivered through a Bosch high-pressure direct injection system, with each cylinder receiving fuel via a 6-hole injector. The engine's power comes from a water-cooled turbocharger, which uses a split cooling system to manage heat more effectively even after the engine is turned off. A Bosch Med 17 control unit manages engine performance, supported by a 3-way catalytic converter for emissions control, ensuring compliance with Euro 5 and 6 standards. This compact 999 cubic centimeters engine has won several awards, including Best Engine under 1.0 litre in the International Engine of the Year Awards. Its efficient, low-friction design delivers the power of a traditional 1.6-litre engine, showcasing Ford's expertise in engine downsizing, a foundation that also supports the development of larger EcoBoost engines like the 1.5-litre Dragon 1.3. The 1.0 EcoBoost engine relies solely on direct fuel injection, which means there's no fuel passing through the intake ports to naturally clean them. Over time, carbon and soot accumulate on the intake valve stems, reducing airflow and potentially causing the valves to close improperly. This can lead to a loss of engine power and even damage to the valves and their seats, especially in high-mileage engines. A significant issue with pre-2014 models was a defective bottom coolant hose, which could split and cause coolant to leak, while the temperature sensor misleadingly displayed normal readings. This design flaw led to numerous engine failures until Ford replaced the faulty hose with an improved version. Another coolant-related concern is the potential cracking of the pipe running from the expansion bottle to the engine, so it's important to regularly check the coolant level. As the engine ages, high-mileage units might experience fuel pressure problems. Insufficient pressure from a worn-out fuel pump can limit performance. Replacing the cam bucket may restore proper fuel pressure and improve the engine's output. While the 1.0 EcoBoost initially gained a reputation for reliability concerns, many early issues were resolved, leading to improved performance in later models. Blown head gaskets and coolant leaks are now rare occurrences. Some owners have reported reaching 100,000 to 150,000 miles without major problems. When combined with its fuel efficiency, strong torque and low emissions, the 1.0 EcoBoost remains a solid option for compact city cars and even larger vehicles.